Tripura hastebo Choba kare te mungsha manma kare Choba khayawoi mungsha pan maya tumung yasi kepileng bai gi ekhragi tubi maya hingke kepileng khaneni nango obahaino khungni kogrubayo sajago obahaino yapri mabaroka hasteni rungsringnai motha TSF tei TSF Roman script ni Choba salsa sananiya bisha bishingniya 1964 ni simik chengmani a Choba tinishik jora thayakon Roman script no Kokborok ni script snamdi Kokborok ni script ni goshi mungrudi oshanmu belekeno kotor yakumu ongei Tripura hasibo jilai chengi tongkha Tripura hasini gobang kok rungsringnai ro gobang kok wansu krung ro nayo Roman script phiaba thanai bisikolog ro mai CPM hapang thangka Jut hapang thangka CPIM hapang thangpiuka khayuka BJP IPFT hapang phaikya thangka tabuk hai BJP IPFT hapang se salajak shiwo ti prasarong ni manthai rejakliya Roman script ni bagai waitham Pasha Commission khajaka tabuk hai Kokborok Development Committee khajauka phiaba Committee ni sakao committee khajak shiwo commission ni sakao commission khajak shiwo Kokborok ni jingjal Roman script ni sanma Choba ni khorang khnajakliya a Choba ni khorang khnajakya angino wairu wai rungsringnai motha khorang tisai tonglai mani a khorang sudase khnajakya apni bisingo February mas ni simino amjungmung chengri jangnai class 10 tei 12 ni February tei March o talni bisingo class 10 tei class 12 amjungmung ngai TBSE board tei TBSE board ni tabusuk jora tinishuk jora Kokborok subject ni bagai rungsringnai ro bo script by amjungmung rungnai abuni thiti kroi phiaba TBSE board ni bukhaktei bukhukbai director sawi rekha Bangla script by mas sinai Roman script by sike affair ngai case ngai abuno ruksawino abuno khnawino tiprasa busa 5000 slaipun gobang beskangni CBSE tei TBSE board amjugmuga asungnai borok wana kuthuk wana mungo habai thangka abni bagai civil society ni simit chengai rungsringnai motha TSF TISF TSU khorang tisai tonglai mani February talni basalmari tangsalo haino hai TSF tei TISF TBSE board habanok grep lacha gate buskango thangai khorang chirik mokro anglacha kok angkha Roman script by sinani bagai goshimung marunai rungsringnai thinangna sigai a goshimung marunai asanma khorang khnajagini bagai no Choba rungsringnai mothani adorang sumung tisamani Tripura hasiwo Kokborok sanai rungsringnai thinangna teyei Tripura Modho Shikha Porishod TBSE board obahike cheklegi maya obahike Tripura sarmai thinangno derari maya TBSE jeti khlai saklai rekha abobai Tripura busarmai thinang deranai tabusuk jora mungsapna srai krikon hasti hapang tai Tripura Modho Shikha Porishod ashak simia rungsringnai mothani adongrok tebo saka Tripura hastini Tripura sani MLA kasam Dr. Otul Debroma Kokborok script no Roman script Nori Bangla script by no Modho Shikha Porishodo amjugmungo sujana engthung obahaike koktun blai simani bai abro nugui Tripura soro belekino khaduja Tripura satei Tripura sanangni hamkrayo kebengo nok bisingo no sotru division nesaka borok tebo saka TBSE board ni president bukhuk bai jeti khlai saireka Roman script by sike case ngnai Bangla script by no masinai abo goshiwi nai maya dati dodoro haste hapang tei Tripura Modho Shikha Porishod Kokborok script mo tei soi khlai saklai ria hangake financial rungsringnai motha Choba kotoro ongkhornai paithago Tripura Modho Shikha Porishod eba TBSE board ni president rungsringnai mothani adangrok bai malai mani yagulo sawi mankha Roman script by no sinani khaini ungsinai phiaba abo haino bukhuk bai sikon sujak mari gorikhon borok tebo saka asuk bai simi goshima bai yokha haya hangke TBSE habanok talaraja khamun tebo sawi mankha rungsringnai mothani bukhakti obahai khorang sotormu obahai chiring mokoro obahai gireb mumbai TBSE board ni president Girijaka thor ungui tongkha phiaba tabusuk jora sujak mari krikhun bukhubai simisikon dati no as sujak mari manana ungthon obhanya naimu rungsringnai mothani
na sungabana sungka president Tripura board ni there is a newspaper normally time video ba khaisaka press ronori hinai nukmania jaga sung lukha jebo kaisa banglaman sidin samani kamon ti banu samani babna rectify khlaikya anti dagbo stand clear khaikya bono je 10 tari ni bisingo kaisa notification donai joto supervisor no kebo borok false khlaijak lak bo script sinai student thani boni free will exercise khlainai rojak sinai ya phari borok o kok saka president sung bonabon saka je jaga nung kok sawo amon verbally da sanai na officially sengmo nasin dong tak bosabo sengbono bon sakan nung officially nol kaisa city tibra boni officially cd man press meet kaisa di newspaper already je students will be given their choice exercise klani boni amot khani ya farjang nai ne seng sari sanung suru verbally exam supervisor nang sama bai inglak and by official kaisa nung siri notification je 10 tarik bising nai kan bai sembon saka official khai dike do babon gos tomos tabu sai tomos student rono boni itsa bolok sinani tabu choice manai akok sau sengabon bon saka sengno member nam yafar ka 2022 yafar jak question paper set khlainani sembonam sengno taketai question set khaya then no respect khaya sengno tripura hawo milwi tongnani jor kiseng nang kaisa community respect mar nai san boto obisoi ni no tambai obisoi sing santi ba peaceful layu ga ke kaisa no respect no takesen respect no ako bo salake sing bo bai ke bo go su tabuk abono to sini andolon khajaku omo tabu exam ni bagai simi tabuk student rok alot khlajang nai boss kribai sinai sia amo tabuk student ni thani amo tai bangla bidon sidini ke malak hemia nono roman bai ta sidini malak hemia tabuk amo student noni yago tabu am bagino joto guardian lo aban sanam to yang tui nor ni trai do boss kriba hamjak sinam tu borok simanu roman skribai joto school ni headmaster tongnai school ni master phun tongnai je sai tongnai banglai ma sinen sane rok no buni against case nai dini tamang kha FI ni kok sakabo khub pung jakha FI rojangmani ang kaisang ong thanga chung an mu FI pai jakha am abotini khub paper kha ga on the newspaper amne ke fake babai tiklai tong news am ani bagai nei fake news tiklai kya am FI pai jakha bok gosi tong gamono tabu kamon sanayo je master supervisor rok official notification mamani yakolobo banglai mas sinai hini ga ke bini mungoi FI khlainai kebo nini rights ani rights seginai meya nung bamaya ang bamaya amo nini ani rights haini bagai sini rights saimana nangnai joto guardian tongnai master phungnai saimani sini rights no am bagai roman script baje sirum situng
tini kalm ke joton saimano tabu banning isi choli tongo roman script liti roman script no tin kaisa kokborok subject tongo TBSE te CBSE kokborok subject ni question paper tam ka set kenani amon answer tam ka sinani amon te sin TBSE ni president kaisa statement ni mani sudo bangla bai ma sinai jeta forcefully buno chapung nai ini amon bagai no TSF te TSF mi juro jaga protest klai jaka talari na haimani sabi tala joton tuina haimani kintu tini bogosika president sabo jana tabukon simanai खाली क्वेश्चन पेपर सिबिनो बांग्ला bai set khaijanai बांग्ला bai set khaigangai bujiagan ok teacher no sungdi jara student rok amo taklai phatchakai to khaimangla tanghinba tak je exam na te koidin se tongso gai je board ni exam ni question paper rok tamo phatchakai solai meya amon bagai kita time nangnai kubang mo sabung nangmo bagai this time no kom ka khagadi next time sini roman script question paper sabung ni jingdi
ধরা নল TSF ও জায়গা তাম আগরতলা বেশি সুবিধা হয় না পাড়া রংনি ভাই
ni borong sini jeng nu ko kalon tangi himba jeng tini pula amono start khagira ka gai jeng japuro ungkongnai tebo jodi koton kanga sini no mani ne tebo koton
নরা TSF বাইকে বাইকে থানসাঙে গদালে চবা খেলে গিয়া
karon no sini me ni su kaisa no roman script bong ni santai amono jeng santai amono bong samu jin samu mil tong kanga tibro sini man thang bagi samu ke jeng tam ne bagi alda hinna bai amon bagen bo bagala thaka joton login di joton login
পাই তো এক্সাম রেনে স্টুডেন্ট রং কাতাম কছনাই নকো
no ase wana jagi tomani ta kote wana nangle no roman script ni simaka no bagi problem solve ka khali ekta nong da problem to question paper english roman script setting ko amo dote no set khane next year ong sibina tawana disi nong bagi fet
today at 12 noon perhaps 5 members of Tripura Students Federation, they came to know about the decision of the board regarding using of scripts by the candidates of ensuing Madhyamik and higher secondary plus 2 stage examinations 2024. I have informed them that all the students who want to write their answer scripts either in Bengali or in Kokborok. They wanted to write the answer scripts. Some of the students of Choba Students Federation, TSF, those who came, they demanded to write the answer scripts by the Kokborok language students in Roman script. Previously, I have informed them that it will not be possible to examine scripts if they write their answer scripts in Roman script. But today, I have taken the decision that any problem that will be faced by the board, we will try that. But for the ensuing examinations, Madhyamik and plus 2 stage examinations, students in whatever script they want to use, they will be allowed to use their scripts in Roman script. Actually, we have no money. We are not well equipped to examine their scripts to give justice to the students who write their answer scripts in Roman script. But anyway, we will try. Today I have decided the decision of the board. I am thinking about the matter. I have told them that students, they will not face any problem during the examination for this script problem. And this problem will be solved. All the students will be informed that we will not face any problem regarding this script, and decision of the board will be informed by 10th instant. By 10th of this month, the information will be given to all the examination centers. This was the decision of the board.
There will be option.
Of course. And this will be informed to them.
So what will be the option, sir?
Pardon?
What is the option that you are giving this time?
Since the introduction of this language, Tripura Board of Secondary Education, students have been writing their answer scripts. For those students who want to answer their scripts in Kokborok language, they have been writing in Bengali script. And some of the students, they wrote in Roman script also. This time also, I will inform all the students regarding this script, you will not face any problem.
Both will be allowed.
Both will be allowed. And the news will be given to all the centers by 10th of this month.
স্যার কোশ্চেন পেপারগুলো Kokborok
No,
কোশ্চেন
that but the stage of question papers in Roman script is already over for this year. So for this year, there is no other alternative. We have no scope to print our question paper in Roman script. That very stage is already over.